Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We're jumping right into a step-by-step blueprint for total beginners to launch a highly profitable service business using AI. And look, we're taking a completely different route here. No Silicon Valley talk, no venture capital, and we are absolutely not trying to invent the next massive software platform. Let's just dive right in and see how this works. Stop trying to build the next billion-dollar app. Honestly, this hits the nail on the head. There's this incredibly pervasive, kind of toxic internet myth going around right now that you need to build some massive, infinitely scalable, world-changing startup just to make money with AI. But according to our source material, that fantasy is actually keeping beginners broke. Seriously, it's time to debunk that right now. Unscalable services, the boring stuff, are actually your biggest advantage. So let's look at these two paths side by side. On one hand, you've got scalable tech startups. But here's what almost nobody tells you. Anything that scales easily, the big companies are going to absolutely dominate it. You are simply not going to outscale Amazon or Google. No way. But on the flip side, boring, unscalable one-person services. The big dogs literally can't be bothered with these. And that's not a weakness, guys. That is your opening. The harder something is to scale, the more accessible it is for someone starting from scratch. And because it's quote-unquote boring, fewer people want to do it, that means practically zero competition for you. Okay, so here's our roadmap for this explainer. 1. The unscalable advantage. 2. Step 1. Find the leak. 3. Step 2. The proof pitch. 4. Step 3. Automate with AI. And finally, 5. Step 4. The retainer model. It's a super logical 4-step playbook to get this whole thing off the ground. All right, starting off with section 1, the unscalable advantage, and having zero starting risk. Let's look at why going boring is your safest and absolute best bet. Get a load of this number, 78%. Roughly 78% of all businesses in the US are service businesses. And why is that? Well, because services are hands down the easiest thing on earth to start. You're just trading your time for money. You risk basically zero capital, and you can literally start from zero. Usually when people hear a business is hard to scale, they run for the hills. But like we just established, that lack of scale is exactly what acts as a shield protecting you from the corporate giants. Now, before we get into the actual tactics, I've got to share this crucial mindset shift from our source. Don't build confidence, build evidence. This is huge. Stop waiting until you, quote-unquote, feel ready, The confidence only shows up after you actually do the work, not before. You just need to get out there and start building the evidence that you can do this. Moving right along to step 1 of our blueprint, find the leak and identify local pain. We need to find a local business, like a dentist, a law firm, or an HVAC company that is just hemorrhaging money. Our source calls this concept the lead plumber. Think of it this way. It's a great analogy. Imagine a local business's leads are water. Their website or their social media, that's the faucet pouring the water. And a booked appointment is the bucket. Right now, for most local businesses, the pipe between that faucet and the bucket is leaking terribly. You're going to be the AI person who fixes that pipe. Let's look at exactly how bad this leak really is. Here is the dirty little secret of local businesses. They are literally lighting money on fire every single day because nobody follows up with their leads fast enough. Picture this. A potential customer fills out a form on a website at 9 p.m. The business finally calls them back maybe 3 days later, if they even call at all. And by then, that customer has already called a competitor and solved their problem. These business owners are paying hard-earned money for leads and just watching them rot. So, step 2, the proof pitch and landing clients. For a lot of beginners, this is the scariest part, right? Cold outreach and actually getting these folks to hire you to fix their leak. So I've got to ask you directly, how do you actually get them to say yes? Keep in mind, you aren't trying to magically create demand here. You're walking up to people who are desperate and handing them the exact fix they need. But you still need a highly specific, pain-centric strategy to actually grab their attention. And here's the exact cold outreach sequence they lay out. First up, pick one type of local business. Open Google Maps and find 10 of them. Second, and honestly, this is the genius part, call or message them just to test their reply speed. Find out firsthand exactly how long it takes them to get back to you. Third, once you've confirmed they have a ridiculously slow follow-up, pitch them. Offer to set up an instant reply system for a low one-time fee. You see what we did there? You're selling straight into their specific pain point, using the proof you literally just gathered yourself. All right, step 3, automate with AI to fulfill the service. This is how you actually do the work automatically, so you aren't stuck working 100 hours a week just manually emailing people. Claude AI is literally the engine for this whole operation. It's your secret weapon doing all the heavy lifting. And the best part? You don't need to be some coding genius. Claude is just going to act as the brain of this newly installed follow-up system. Let's break down exactly what that looks like. You use Claude to instantly reply to every single lead so absolutely nothing slips through the cracks. It writes the follow-up sequences. It answers all those common customer questions. It even drafts the booking scripts. To start out, you might just wire it directly into a shared inbox, where Claude drafts every single reply for the business owner to review. You are basically just installing the plumbing so that not a single drop of water, not a single lead is wasted. Which brings us to step 4, the retainer model, and generating recurring revenue. This is how you structure your pricing to turn a one-off gig into a real, lasting business. This pricing strategy from the source is incredibly simple but so effective. First, you charge a one-time setup fee to build the system. Or hey, if you're brand new, you can even start by doing it for free just to get a killer testimonial. Second, you add a small monthly retainer to keep the AI running and maintained. And third, this is key, you emphasize to the owner that if they don't like it or doesn't get results, they just stop paying you. It's a completely low-risk offer for them, which makes it an absolute no-brainer to say yes to. Now, if you're sitting there wondering, okay, but does this actually pay off? Check out this number, $23,000. Our source shares a case study of a guy who isn't some seasoned business veteran. He's just a beginner who started doing this recently. He now has 14 clients paying him anywhere between $800 and $3,500 a month for this exact AI automation service. And remember, it mostly runs on autopilot. That adds up to about 23 grand a month in recurring revenue. Incredible, right? Let's just do the math real quick to show how accessible this really is. You do not need hundreds of customers. If you land just 5 clients and you charge them a $2,000 a month retainer, boom, that equals a $10,000 per month business. And the absolute best part is you can run the whole shebang entirely from your laptop, powered by AI. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with a quote from the presentation that really hit home for me. A focused fool will out-earn a distracted genius every single time. Picking one boring service, like being the lead plumber for local businesses, and relentlessly sticking to it is the actual key to success here. Forget bouncing around trying to invent the next big app. So it all comes down to this one final, very important question. Are you going to keep chasing a scalable fantasy? Or are you ready to build a boring business that actually pays? You've got the step-by-step blueprint, you know the tools, the local businesses in your area are practically begging for someone to fix their leaky pipes. Thanks for hanging out with me for this explainer, and I hope this blueprint gives you the push you need to start building your evidence today.